here for a special purpose. Before we go into the details, I would like to ask a simple question. Have you heard of superhero kits?
No, sir.
No?
No, sir. What is meant by superhero kit?
Superhero kits are small children who have done great things in their life. At a very tender age, they did something very great. Like for example, Cornell Humpy, she became a grandmaster in chess at the age of 15. She is a superhero kid. Can you tell the names of some other kids who have done great things like this?
Yes, sir. Dronavalli Harika became a women grandmaster in chess when she was only 13.
Good. Anybody else?
Sir, Sachin Tendulkar started playing international cricket for India when he was just 16.
Good. So we had Dronavalli Harika and Sachin Tendulkar. Anybody else?
Sir, I remember Malavat Purna, who is the first and youngest woman in the world to climb Mount Everest. When she was 14 years old, she achieved this feat, sir.
Very good. Very good. Now all of you agree to achieve great things, to do great things, age is not at all a criteria. Even small children also can do great things. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If that is the case, there are some superhero kids in you.
Sir, in us.
Yes, why not? We will go about it, how to do it. Before that, then we have, okay, pause. Now take it. Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, sir.
I welcome you to today's program. In this program, I would like to take you through a activity. The activity is that it is good that all of you are sitting in groups, and each group has a leader, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Who are the leaders? Raise your hands. Yes, all groups have leaders.
Yes, sir.
Now that you are sitting in groups, the task given to you is that each of you have to interview at least 20 to 30 of your fellow students, co-students, colleagues, and then come out with at least 3 major problems. Okay? Problems are which are very severe to you, which are causing a lot of problem to you. Don't list fuse lights and leaking taps, etc. Serious problems only you need to note. Okay? So after collecting the problems, we will meet here tomorrow again. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yesterday when we met here, I gave a task to you. I told each group to interview at least 20 to 30 of your fellow students and come out with a list of problems you are facing here. Have you done that?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now that you have completed the task, I request all the group leaders to come out and join here with your list. All 4 of you verify your list and come out with a single problem which is common to all the groups. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Now group leaders will join here. See each other's list, discuss among yourself and come out with a single problem which is common to all. Have you identified the problem common to all groups?
Yes, sir.
have identified the problem common to all the groups?
Yes, sir.
Who will tell that?
Sir, during summer, we are uncomfortable to sit in the classroom because of high ambient temperature, sir.
This is your major problem.
Yes, sir.
During summer, the classrooms are too hot to sit. Is it not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now that we have identified the problem, let us try to find the solutions for this problem. Our problem is our classrooms are getting heated up during summer. So can anybody suggest how to reduce the temperature of the classrooms?
Yes, sir. We can fix air conditioners to each room.
Okay, that is a good suggestion, but air conditioners are very expensive. Moreover, they consume lot of power. Here in Sirpur, we are facing lot of power cut problems. So, air conditioners are not going to help us. Any other suggestions?
Yes, sir. Can we arrange for air coolers?
Air coolers, is it a good alternative?
Sir, cooler also work with electricity only.
So, we have already power cut problems. So, air coolers are not going to help us. Moreover, they make a lot of noise in the class. Okay? So, before we go further, I would like to draw your attention to the reasons why the rooms are getting heated up. Can anybody tell why the rooms are getting heated up?
Yes, sir. Direct sunlight falls on the ceiling and heats it up and make the room hot.
Yes, there is one reason why the rooms are getting heated up. Heat is coming through the roof. Any other person?
Sir, hot air from outside enters to the room through windows and makes the room hot.
Yes, that is another reason. That is a very good reason. Hot air from outside comes into the room through the windows and heats up the room. These are the two major reasons for the room class temperature to go up. Now that we identified the problems, let us find the solutions for that. Can anybody come out with a solution for this?
Yes, sir. We can cover roof of the classroom with balcony glass.
Yes, that is a good suggestion. Because the roof is getting heated up, we need to put some sort of a insulating material like gunny bags or foil mats or something like that. Yes, that's a good suggestion. We'll continue that. Any more suggestions?
Yes, sir. Can we fix wet curtains to the windows so that the hot air coming inside gets cooled?
Any opinion about
Sir,
this?
but by the covering windows, rooms becomes dark and we needed to put on more lights. Already we are facing power cut problems.
Yeah, that is a problem. Yes. Any other suggestions? Any other?
Sir, I prepare a low-cost AC in my home using empty mineral water bottles, sir. And after fixing it to the window, our house became cool. Can we put a similar units here also, sir?
Why not?
Oh, really?
Yes.
How do you go about it? Can you please tell?
It's quite simple, sir. First, we have to cut the empty water bottles horizontally, sir. And we should keep the neck of the portion with us. And then we have to procure a cardboard sheet suiting the size of our window, sir.
After that?
After that, we should make holes at equal intervals. And the size of the hole should exactly match the necks of the bottle, sir.
After that?
After that, the cardboard sheet with bottles is to be fixed to the window with wires. Fixing is to be done in such a way that the necks of the bottle should be inside the classroom, sir, and the larger diameter portion should be out of the class, sir.
What happens then?
Nothing else, sir. The hot air from outside enters the classroom through the necks of the bottle, sir, and during this process, the air gets cools and reduces the temperature of the room, sir.
Excellent. This seems to be a very good suggestion and low cost, very simple, very inexpensive method. Let us try to do it.